Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn alphabets, numbers and shapes. Kids class name. Red color, red color. Yellow color, yellow color. Black color, black color. Green color, green color. Blue color, blue color. Yellow color, yellow color. Kids now coloring alphabets, numbers and shapes. Kids firstly draw A. A for apple. A for ant. And use red color. Red color. The alphabets of A. Kids now draw B. B for ball. B for bat. The alphabets of B. And use yellow color. Yellow color. Kids now draw C. C for cat. C for car. The alphabets of C. And use black color. Black color. Kids now draw D. D for dog. D for doll. The alphabets of D. And use green color. Green color. The alphabets of D. Kids now draw E. E for egg. E for elephant. The alphabets of E. And use blue color. Blue color. E for egg. E for elephant. The alphabets of E. And use blue color. Blue color. Kids now draw numbers. And first you draw 1. The numbers of 1. And use red color. Red color. O-N-E 1. The numbers of 1. Kids now draw 2. The numbers of 2. And use yellow color. Yellow color. T-W-O 2. Kids now draw 3. The numbers of 3. And use black color. Black color. T-H-R-W 3. Kids now draw 4. The numbers of 4. And use green color. Green color. F-O-U-R 4. Kids now draw 5. The numbers of 5. And use blue color. Blue color. The numbers of 5. F-I-V-E 5. Kids now draw shapes. And first draw a square. The shape of square. And use red color. Red color. Kids now draw circle. The shape of circle. And use yellow color. Yellow color. Kids, knight a triangle, the shape of triangle, and use black color. Black color. Kids, knight a heart, the shape of heart, and use green color. Green color. Kids, lastly draw Easter, the shape of Easter, and use blue color. Blue color. The shape of Easter. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.